G'day guys, how are we? So, it has been, for me, 3 weeks since I have even remotely uploaded a video. Well, I have uploaded, I just haven't actually made a video in 3 weeks, should I say, because I have been in New Zealand. New Zealand was awesome. I loved it. Went there with my missus. Went there for 3 weeks, traveled around in a little juicy van, so basically a camper van that we went around the whole island with. And yeah, it was awesome. But in this video, we're back. I'm excited, like ridiculously excited, and we're working on this bad boy. So what we're doing is we're going to be cleaning all the interior inside of it. I have been basically dailying this car for, I would say, maybe a month and a half, 2 months. Like I've still been driving the Barina, but I've been I guess probably 2 days out of the week I'll drive the Barina, and then the rest I'll be driving this thing. So the interior of this car is absolutely horrific. It is like really, like, I mean disgusting. So we need to clean this desperately. So what I'm actually going to be doing is I'm going to be taking out all the seats and everything, and we're going to be doing a proper deep clean on it, and it's going to be awesome. Oh, I saw her, mad. But oh, he's going to give some, is he? Whee. That's cool. But yeah, so we're going to be doing a complete deep clean on it. We're going to be cleaning everything out of the car, and yeah, I'm excited. So let's get started into it. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take out the front seats and the rear seats. First thing I'm going to do before I do anything though is I'm going to quickly move the car over here, but I'm not going to record any of that. I'm just going to move the car a little bit further this way, so we're not stuck in that side of the corner or anything. So let's move this over and let's start taking out all the seats. Lego. There's one out, 3 to go. That steering wheel being in the way makes things so much harder, holy hell. That was a mission to get out. But we've got both the front seats out, so now onto the rear. The best thing about the rear is I actually have no bolts plugged in, so kind of just comes off as simply as this. It's just that easy. And boom, there you go. All the seats are out. God damn, this is a pigsty. Alright, so as you guys have just saw, I'm going to take it out all the seats, all the front seats and the rear seats are out. That took me about probably 15-20 minutes, if that. And yeah, so everything's out. This car is an absolute pigsty, like bad. So what I'm basically thinking of doing is I'm just going to get out the vacuum. Oh, I'm going to turn this way so the sun isn't in your eyes and it doesn't, I need a new camera. We need one bad. But yeah, basically all I'm going to do is I'm going to get the vacuum out. I'm going to clean up all the carpet, give everything a good clean with some, I don't know, some cleaning products, and chuck everything back in basically. So I'm just going to do a quick, like a decent sweep, because it needs it bad. So yeah, I'm actually quite excited for this. But yeah, so first thing I'm going to do is going to take out everything from inside the car and get the vacuum onto it, and let's start vacuuming. So Lego. So as you guys just saw then, I have gone and vacuumed everything throughout the car. I'm going to quickly show you guys what it looks like. So I've gone and vacuumed all the carpet. Look, it's definitely not perfect. It can definitely be a little bit cleaner, but I don't really have the, let's just say, the appropriate tools to do that. So for now, I am more than happy with this. It looks good, it's nice, 10 times cleaner than what it was. But yeah, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on to vacuuming one of the rear ones, another one of the rear ones, and the front two, what are they called? I don't even know what they're called, little pads. So I'm gonna vacuum all of them, do the exact same as what I did in the inside, and I will see you guys after I have vacuumed them. So I've just gone and cleaned all of these little mats, as you guys just saw, and they are all looking pretty damn clean. Look, again, they're not perfect. I can't really make them perfect because I don't have one of those little shampoo thingamajiggies. That obviously would help a lot to make everything like pristine, but I am more than happy with how those carpets and the interior has turned out. So what all I got to do now is basically I'm going to leather clean all of the seats and clear them up properly. So that includes the rear seats as well and the front seats that are just over here. And then I have to clean all of the dash and door panels and all this in like center console area. So yeah, I'm quite excited to actually have a nice clean car again, because it's been doing my head in and being so messy. I hate it. I used to be such a perfectionist about it. I let it go a little bit because I mean, I was daily in the car basically, so I got a bit frustrated with it and just let it go, which I regret. And yeah, so time to get this car back into tip-top shape, which means fixing everything on it. I'm very, very excited. So yeah, enjoy the process. We're starting off with interior, and we're gonna fix that BMW before we can do too much else though. So the BMW is #1 priority, but yeah, let's get to cleaning all the seats. Let go. So what I'm actually gonna be using to clean these bad boys is I don't actually have leather cleaner. We did have some and we've completely lost it. I've just been looking for like the last 20 minutes and could not find it. So all I'm going to be just doing is some water and some detergent and giving these seats a really, really good clean. And yeah, that's more than enough. I personally think so. I'm not all pedantic about using the right materials. Also, it seems that these front seats are going to be going hopefully within the next 6 months to a year. So I'm not too fussed about it. Also losing stitches are coming out, so it's they're falling apart a little bit. But yeah, they've still done a really good job and they look good, which is the most important thing. So yeah, so let's give them a nice little clean, and I will see you guys afterwards. Alright, so I have gone and cleaned all the seats, and all the seats look perfect. Well, no, definitely not perfect, but they look very good. They're a lot cleaner than what they were. So I am more than happy with those seats. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is clean all the plastics in here now. So all of this plastics and steering wheel and all that sort of stuff I'm going to be cleaning. And yeah, so I'm going to be using some Armor All stuff for that. Make that all look perfect, clean all the glass inside as well. So basically clean the rest of the inside of the car, and then we're putting it all back together and we should be done. But I'm going to quickly show you how gross these seats were. So this is the bucket that I used, and I will show you how brown and disgusting this water is. You ready? This is really gross. Look at that. It's like pure brown. It's so gross. So yeah, all of that was in my seats, so that's kind of gross. But anyways, let's move on to the inside of this car. Alright, so I have gone and cleaned all of the inside part. As you guys can see, I've done all the door cards, I've done all these door cards, and I've done all this center console just here. And all the front dash, and I also did the front window. And also that. There. So I've gone and done all the inside of the car. What I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to go and get the seats and I'm going to chuck them back in the car. And then we're going to see what it looks like when it's done, because there should be a world of difference here, because the car was very very, very, very dirty. Now hopefully it's gonna be nice and clean. So and I'm gonna keep it like that as well. I'm gonna not let everything get out of control like it usually does. And yeah, so let's go put these seats in before it gets dark, because the sun is going down. So let's get to it. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm a silhouette, so it is definitely getting dark. So what I've gone and done is I have cleaned all the interior of the car. The car is looking immaculate. You can't really see that well, so I'm just going to shine a torch on things. The car is literally perfect. Well, no, it's not, far from it. But the car is very, 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 very clean. Same goes for the back. If I shine a torch inside of here, yeah, the car's pretty damn clean. I apologize for you guys not being able to see much of it. But yeah. So right now I am recording on my phone because one, my battery went dead yet again. I need to buy a new camera. And two, it is very, very dark outside, as you guys can see. So what I have gone and done is I completely finished the inside of the car, and the phone camera can definitely pick it up a lot better than the other one, but it is pretty damn immaculate. The front and the back are both the same. You can basically not see the back, so don't let me showing you that. But yeah, the car is pretty damn clean. So I'm pretty wrapped with it. I am needing to keep it a lot cleaner because I'm sick of that thing being dirty inside the car. It just makes the driving experience worse. But yeah, I'm going to go definitely for this car to be immaculate again. I'm sick of it being kind of dodgy. So yeah, definitely gonna be fixing things up. I still think it's a beautiful looking car no matter what. By the way, this is all the crap that came out of the car. Let's just talk about that for a second. That is a lot of crap just inside the car. But yeah, the car is still beautiful. I just want to fix a few things up on it. And yeah. So I thought I'd sit down for you guys. Appreciate watching the actual part of the video. This is just an extra little bit of added on. Just sitting in my car, just thought I'd have a chat. Basically, next 2 videos, hopefully, not exactly sure, but is when I'm going to be going out with Bathurst with a few mates. It is going to be awesome. I'm really excited for that. I hope those videos are going to be awesome. I got to buy a few new batteries for the camera because it keeps dying all the time. So we're going to quickly do that. I do need a new camera as well, but for now, batteries will do. Batteries will make everything work nice and fine for you guys. But yeah, I am really, really excited for that. And then after we get back, I'm probably going to go straight onto the BMW videos because the BMW needs to be on the road for my normal life. Like, I need to get to work. I can't keep dailying the WRX because it's only a matter of time before I get, well, I mean, defected. Everyone knows if you're in Australia or Victoria, that is gonna happen. So yeah, so I need to get that BMW back on the road. That is a must do. And then I want to do it up and flip it. So that's probably gonna be the main concentration on the channel. And then I'm gonna buy myself just a normal, reliable daily, as horrible as it is. I need to buy something like that. And yeah, so a lot of content is going to be surrounding around the BMW once I get back from Bathurst. I need to get that thing back on the road, like I said. So just letting you guys know, thought I'd keep you guys updated exactly what's going on. I appreciate you guys for watching these videos, especially the last 3, because I know they probably weren't, well, I know they weren't up to scratch. But that is because I was in New Zealand and I had to get things smashed out. So I did all those 3 videos in 2 days, just after work on the way home. So yeah, I appreciate you guys for supporting me still. I really, really do. If you guys watch those last videos, I honestly appreciate that. And we're going to be going flat out back on videos, possibly eventually. I might be getting to 2 videos a week. The Bathurst one will be. But yeah, I am absolutely wrapped about that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like and subscribe button if you want to support me and show me that you guys are enjoying it. And I will see you guys next week with some bangers.